You can make this delicious cheesy pizza without any pizza dough. Yes, you heard that right. We are taking a few slices of bread, loading it up with juicy chicken, sweet corn, and plenty of melty cheese, and turning it into this ridiculously delicious bread pizza. It's crispy on the outside, cheesy in the middle, and honestly, I could eat this whole thing up myself. Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Crave and let's get started. I'm starting with cutting up my bread into triangular slices. Now let's get our chicken ready. I'll season our boneless chicken cubes with some soya sauce, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, and some garlic powder. Of course, with some salt to taste. I'm keeping the seasoning nice and flavorful because this is where we are building all the deliciousness. Then toss it in a pan with some butter once the chicken is cooked and nicely coated with the spices. In goes our sweet corn, some chopped onions, and green bell pepper. Add some salt to taste, some dried parsley, oregano, and chili flakes. Give everything a good mix, and our pizza topping is ready. Now, my favorite part, the pizza assembly. Grease your pizza dish with butter and add the bread slices nicely. Generously add your pizza sauce. Comment below if you want my pizza sauce recipe. Add a generous layer of your favorite cheese right on top. Add our pizza toppings and again generously add more cheese layer. Because if you're making a bread pizza, we might as well make it properly cheesy. Cook it on stove top in low flame until the cheese melts. And just look at that golden, crispy edges, juicy chicken, sweet corn, and that gorgeous melted cheese. Honestly, this is proof that you don't need fancy ingredients to make something seriously good. Cut it into pieces, grab one while it's hot, and prepare for that first cheesy bite. This is perfect for a quick breakfast, an evening snack, or honestly, any time that pizza craving hits you. If you try this chicken cornbread pizza, let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Quick Crave, quick fixes for your hungry cravings. Now, excuse me while I go make another one. Thanks for watching.